Hey guys, Mitch here from the Spray Gun Club. Today we are talking about filters, specifically Wagner filters that you get in your tip packets. Now we've got a white one, yellow one and a red one. Now, for most jobs, I would typically only use the yellow one. Now, if I didn't have the yellow one on hand, I'd use the white one, and that would get me away with 90% of the spraying that I'd be doing. Now, the only time that I would use the red filter is if I was spraying oil-based enamels, stains, or decking oils, typically. Now, guys will normally follow just whatever filter comes with the packet and using it. But typically, even though this filter comes with this packet, I wouldn't be using it other than for those three things. So I believe there's a bit of a misconception about what filters you should be using for what tips, but leave a comment and let me know what filter you use.